Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how I use these really cute home decor signs that I picked up from the Dollar Tree to make this multi-photo frame, as well as this really cute and simple door decor sign, and then finally this display tray. So if you're interested in how I put these items together, then just keep watching. For my photo frame, I used 3 of the home decor signs, 3 of these 3.5 by 5 silver picture frames. I used some flower mesh that I purchased from Amazon. I'll leave a link below. And then finally my E6000. I'll have a list of all the supplies that I used for all 3 projects down in the description box. So the first thing I did was determine how I wanted to arrange my home decor signs and my picture frames. Once I was happy with my design, the only thing left to do was to use my E6000 to attach all of the frames and the signs together. Of course, you can paint the signs or the picture frames to whichever colors you like, but I really liked how the home decor signs had the white with the wood, and I thought it went perfectly with my silver picture frames. Once I had all of my frames and signs glued together, I wiped away any excess E6000, and then using my hot glue gun, I attached some individual pieces of the flower mesh to each side of the wood signs. I allowed this entire piece to dry overnight, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. For my door sign, I used 3 more of the home decor signs. Again, some of my flower mesh, some strong adhesive, and my hot glue gun and glue sticks. This project was by far the easiest of the 3. I simply used my strong adhesive to attach all 3 of my signs together. I used a very small amount of hot glue just to hold my signs in place while they dried overnight. Just as I did for my photo frame, I added some of the individual pieces of flower mesh to each side of the wood portion of my sign, as well as a piece of the flower mesh to the home, family, and believe parts of my sign as well. I allowed this to dry overnight, and here was my finished look. I used a large command strip to hang my sign on my door, and I think it turned out beautiful. For my display tray, I used 4 of the home decor signs, 1 of the 8x10 silver picture frames, an 8x10 mirror, my gemstone stickers, strong adhesive, and my hot glue gun and glue sticks. So the first thing I did was glue all 4 of my signs together. I noticed that some of the ends were not smooth, so I took a sanding block that I also purchased from Dollar Tree, and I smoothed out both ends of all 4 of my signs. And then I used my strong adhesive to attach all 4 of my signs together. I then set this aside and allowed it to dry overnight. While that dried, I removed all of the contents from my 8x10 picture frame, and then I added the gemstone stickers around each side of my picture frame. I added 2 rows of the gemstone stickers to each side of my frame. I then added the contents back to my 8x10 picture frame. I added the glass, and then because this is a deep frame, it comes with a piece of cardboard with some foam strips. I then added my 8x10 mirror that I removed from my frame, and then finally the cardboard backing. The next day, I noticed that I hadn't taken the stickers off of my wood signs. These stickers do not come off easily, so I pulled up as much as I could. I think you could use some glue gun or something that removes that sticky part of the adhesive, but I just used what I had. I removed what I could, and then I used that same sanding block to smooth out and remove any of the adhesive residue. I also added some of the gemstone stickers to the sides of the wood signs. I will tell you that this adhesive won't stick to wood, so you'll want to use a little of the adhesive to help keep the gemstone stickers in place. Next, I use a craft stick to apply some strong adhesive to the top of my picture frame, and then I place my wood signs right on top. I also added some additional gemstone stickers right below the white portion of my home decor signs, and then I allowed this entire piece to dry overnight. And here was my finished look. So there you have it, guys. 3 very different projects using those really cool home decor signs that are now available at Dollar Tree. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.